Hey Charm Squad! Today I'm bringing you a special Rosalind tutorial. So with the beautiful PR they sent out of temperature changing glitter polishes and the most stunning gel paint liners, I thought what better to bring out this holiday season than a Frozen set, y'all! So this set is inspired by none other than Olaf, who's melting and would like a hug. So first off, I am just setting up the most darling winter background. We want it to look like the Christmas skies with touches of Aurora Borealis. And then we are going in, and all of the art is going to be with Rosalind's liners, which I cannot get over the precision, y'all. The precision on these liners, I was having myself the best time. Also, the viscosity of these gel paint liners are so beautiful that everything hugged into place and allowed me to sugar the glitter for perfection to create the perfect winter snow. We are taking a page out of Elsa's book, and the cold never bothered us anyway. So we are going in with whimsical gusts of snow. We just want to make this look like you have stepped into the universe of Frozen. I cannot get over how darling these polishes are. They ombre together so effortlessly, and the temperature changing on this is so very fun that gives you a 2-in-1 look. Now, for any of your Rosalind needs, just head over to rosalindbeauty.com and you will be amazed with the goodies that are on their website. Now, going in with my fine liner brush, I wanted the teensiest, tiniest lines for this beautiful Frozen-inspired snowflakes. So we went in and we are just going and doing the absolute delicate lines and brush strokes so that we can bring to life the most gorgeous snowflakes. What I truly appreciated about their nail art gel as well is that it effortlessly blended together, and I was able to mix my own custom colors for the mouth, for the carrot stick nose on Olaf. I was so impressed with this formula, and I had so much fun creating this adorable winter set. These temperature changing polishes are perfect for the winter season, having the cool notes being the darker purples and the cold tones being the icy gray colors and blue. I am so in love with how the duality of these polishes and that it instantly makes your manicure a 2-in-1. So we are quickly mapping out Sir Olaf so we can paint him to perfection. For all of you character art lovers out there, you know the importance of shading. So going in with my black liner and a little bit of base coat, we are creating the most darling shading that instantly makes these look like the best snowballs to create little Olaf. Now, creating your own shading gel is just this easy. Start off with a small percentage of your opaque black and mix that in to the base coat, and you've got all the shading you need. Now, dipping straight into the liner bottle, we are going to map out Olaf's eyes and truly start bringing him to life. Once you have those eyes mapped out, you are good to go and you can start off with the little buttons on the belly. I absolutely loved how delicate these buttons were, and I wanted to add a little bit of snow and some shine to these adorable buttons. Now, mixing the mauve and blue liners from Rosalind, we are creating the customized color for the mouth, and then we're going to go in with his cute little teeths and his carrot nose. Dipping back in to that shading gel that we created with the black liner and base coat, we are just adding in the shade elements, and the moment that we get the perfect shading, we are going to cure and then go right back in with another line in those same areas to redefine that shadow. And there you have it, using Rosalind's temperature changing polishes and their gorgeous nail art liners. This beautiful Frozen inspired Olaf set has now come to life. For more character art, please subscribe down below, and I would love to hear which character you'd like me to feature next. Ooh, I hope everybody is having a beautiful holiday season, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Make sure to stay tuned to the end so you can see the temperature changing magic.